Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to try out a new product from UniWigs. They were kind enough to send this to me to evaluate for them. So I haven't been paid by them. I'm not compensated in any way. Just get those products sent to me for free by them. So what I have today is, they call it the Rachael, and this is a 2-in-1 synthetic hair extension. So they call it a 2-in-1 because they have this very fine string there that you can use. It'll go across the head. Or they have clips sewn inside. So there's a total of 4 clips. And as you can see, it's one big weft of hair. So you're not putting in multiple sections of wefts in your hair. It's just one big one. Now I have the color Almond Frost, and I think it's just beautiful. Here's what it looks like on the other side. Or you can actually go ahead and use both if you want to. So you could use the little string on it, or you could use the clips, or both, and use the clips. Now you will notice, and hopefully you can see this. Put my hand there. There is right here a little piece of plastic that's on the string. And what you want to do, and then there's also extra string and another little piece of plastic. So what you want to do is find out how much of this string that you want, and you can just simply do that by placing it right at the top of your head and just making sure that it feels comfortable for you. Now that actually feels probably a little short for me. I prefer to have the string a little bit closer up. No, I think that'll work. And then once you get the right length to it, what you want to do is get some pliers and clamp that down, and then you can cut off the remaining section of the string. I'm not going to do that today. I just want to show you how this works. Okay, so let's talk about Rachael and what she's all about. So Rachael is a 2-in-1 halo extension. It's featured both the transparent wires and the clips that I mentioned. Either the clips or the invisible wire make Rachael extensions much easier to apply without any assistance. Rachael is made of a high quality Canby, I never say that right, synthetic fiber, which is lightweight, soft to the touch, yes and yes, with rich natural colors. She could change your look by adding instant length to your existing hairstyle. So the clips are removable if you do want to take them out. I want to warn you that Canby hair is not heat friendly, so don't use hair dryers, straighteners, curling irons on it, anything like that. This does come in a wavy one as well, but I got this straight. And it is 14 inches long and just really comfortable. Okay, what I want to do now is I want to take the top section of my hair that's going to be covering everything, and I want to get that out of my face. Now I want the string, again, is going to start about here. So I'm going to go down and then straight in the back. And I want to take all that hair and get it up into my clip. I have everything I wanted up there. Temporarily just clip this up. Doesn't have to be nice and neat at all. Okay, so now that I have that out of the way, I want to make sure that all of my clips are closed so that nothing gets stuck on my hair. I also want to take my wide tooth comb and comb through that. I'm sorry, it's hot today, so I have a little fan going in here, so hopefully you don't pick up that noise. All right, now I want to take this, come around and bring it up. And then just drop it in place. Now you also want to make sure that you have this centered, so feel for those clips and make sure they're even on both sides. Okay, so I'm not going to clip it just yet. What I want to do now is take my my comb that has the rat's tails, and I'm just going to keep going through and pulling in sections of hair. So I'm going to keep pulling my sections of hair through and around that string. We have had so much static electricity here lately. I swear for the last about 2 weeks, my hair has just been full of static electricity. Okay, so now that I have the sides brought through, I also want to go on the back and make sure I lift up all of my hair in the back so I can cover it. And I'm going to carefully just brush through. Notice how I'm holding on to the hair as I brush because I don't want to accidentally get any of that weft in there. And pull it down and undo all the work I just did. Alright, now that I have all of my hair out of that, what I want to do is go in and do the clips. I'm waiting till after I have all my hair pulled out, because if I would have done the clips and then tried to get all my hair out, the clips would have been keeping my hair in place. So I'm going to start in the back, and I'm simply going to take the 2 clips, flip them open, raise them up a little bit, go down, and clip them. Then I will repeat it on the sides. And then this side. Okay. That's not going anywhere. Now this is only my second time trying them in, or trying this on, I should say, not in. So I know with a little more practice and wear, I will be able to increase how quickly I can get these in. But now look at how much hair I have, how beautifully this blends in with my own color. And let me show you the back. How it moves. You do not see these, this line all the way across, which is, if I peek it, pull it apart, it's right there. But my own hair is covering everything. It's not showing on the sides at all. And you cannot find that little wire across the top of my head. You can see my gray hairs, but you can't see that. All right, I'm going to take this one step further, so hold on one second. All right, guys, I'm back, and you may have noticed I'm wearing a different outfit right now. That is because when I went to go edit this video, I realized that my card messed up on the very last part of the video. So I am now filming this at 9 o'clock at night so I can get this up tomorrow for you guys. But you may also notice I have a little more hair on top. So what I did was I took my Hope topper, and if you missed my video on that, I will leave a card up here for you. And I added that as well as the Rachael Halo extensions. So I have my own hair, I have the halo extensions, and then I have my topper right on top. And this is a great way to add even more hair, and again, not go with a full wig. So I have a topper which goes right around here, and it's clear back here. I've kind of blended it in with my own hair. And then I've got the halo extensions in the back that come to about right there. So I think that's just a beautiful blending job. The colors are just perfect for my hair. And let me show you the back part of it this way too, and just how thick my hair is now. So again, you don't see anything as far as the extensions go. You don't see my cap. Everything just looks totally natural. So I just wanted to give you this as another option for those times you really, really want to have a lot of hair. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, I have a code down in the description box that'll give you a 15% discount at UniWigs website, and I want to thank them again for sending me the Rachael Halo extension. I really enjoy this. I just think they're great. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you do that, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, ideas, and videos you'd like to see me do, please feel free to leave those down below. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.